Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Every man a run when you step in the street. Hey big foot.
Oh, what is this? What is this a joke?
Oh, you didn't do a.
Good job.
Right there, Carson, get it! Right there! Oh my gosh, we're getting it, dude! Oh, there it goes! It's going in, I can see it.
Gitregel.
That's a disappointment. I thought hydrogen was explosive.
The end.
I caught that on film. Woo!
They've been gone.
Oh yeah, take your shoes off and do it. Oh, we can take it. Kids can see that they don't need to know about your shoes. This is so funny.
Joel in the end is taking his shoes off. He now has no insulator.
No, just
What the fuck? Holy shit. Oh my god.
Where did you go? I found you.
Oh god.
Sarah, get away.
It's not gonna explode. Oh my god, Eric.
God. I told you.
Right, we're at the playground, and the kids don't want to go anymore because look at this shit. This is real. Look at this. There's no wind out here right now.
No one on it either.
Look, there's nobody on it.
It's just moving.
There's no wind. Look at the other swings, and look at this shit.
I mean, maybe someone pushed it and just went away, but.
Yeah, it's filming. Go.
Okay.
No, you cocked your wrist too much. Do it again. Slower.
How was that?
The hell was that?
Hello?
Hello?
Who is it? Who is it?
There's no one there. Oh
Oh my god. Fine, just get out of the house. Get out of the house.
If we turn the camera off, will you print the diamond symbol? Camera's off.
Print the diamond symbol. Oh my god! That is so fucking sketchy.
Oh my god!
This thing is printing by itself.
Oh my god!
We're out here running, and I swear to fucking God, man, we just saw a clown up over the suspension bridge, and I'm sort of freaking out about it. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck are you doing, man? It's 7:30 in the morning. Have you heard about all this shit? People are freaking out about this. Yo, does he have a fucking knife? Yo, Patrick, he has a knife. Dude, what the... What the fuck? What the fuck?
That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what we would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kenny Clark. Peace.